Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how you can cancel your UOB credit card online. In order to cancel your credit card online for UOB, first of all launch open a web browser. Type in uob.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for UOB. Now once you get to the main home page, click on the login button at the top right corner and then select the UOB Personal Internet Banking option. You will now end up on the next page where you will be able to see the login page. Type in your username in the first text box and type in your account's password. If you don't remember your username and password, click the Forgot Username/Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. Finally, after filling in the details, click on Login, and once you're logged into your account, navigate to the Card section and then select the card you want to cancel and click on the Cancel button. Follow through the instructions till the end, and you will be guided through the cancellation process. Remember that while canceling your credit card, you might need to confirm your identity or provide a reason for closure. So that is how you can easily cancel UOB credit card online. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.